Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do voice activity detection using Picovoice's Cobra on a web application. So the first thing you're going to want to do is grab your access key from the Picovoice console. Then you're going to want to create a React project under Cobra VAD demo or whatever you want to label it. And before we start with the code, you're going to need to run an Initializing NPM project using npm init-y and then install the required packages. And finally, install an HTTP server as a development dependency. From there, we're going to start to write our index.html. So the first little bit you can take from our GitHub. It just kind of initializes everything that we need. And then you're going to initialize your Cobra VAD. This is what you're going to do with your Picovoice access key. Then you're going to want to create a callback function. Then you're going to want to create a function that'll start Cobra VAD, and finally one that'll stop it. And let's run using npx. And you can see that when it detects my voice, it's about a 1. When it's just noise, there's 0. Thank you for watching, and visit Picovoice AI for more tutorials.